you ready?
Yes.
So I already have 3 questions in here. So just relax and answer my questions, okay? So the first one is, this is a necessary procedure to handle air and to promote or to remove the lumps of the ingredients. What is this?
I think sipping.
Okay. So the next one is, refer to dry heat cooking, which usually takes place in oven. What is that?
Cooking, baking.
Baking. Are you sure on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last one is, why it is important to preheat the oven before baking.
So that the bread will cook properly.
Okay. So are you now ready? Your results. So Miss Lian Pascual, candidate number 2, I would like to inform you that you are performed well in preparing and baking cake and pastry product. However, you did not demonstrate the skills in making bread and with forks, and you answer only 2 questions out of 3. So you were not able to perform within the standard requirements of the qualification. So we have the practice, the activities related to the competency requirements to the qualification ladder. So if you feel confident enough that you have acquired the competence, you can go to the TESDA PTC Tarlac at San Isidro Tarlac for the schedule of reassessment. So don't worry, pwede kang mag-reassessment doon, okay? So since the bread and pastry production is a best package, will be reassessed with all the units of qualifications. So do you have any complaint? If you have any complaint, you have the right to appeal, okay? So don't you worry